Assalamu alaikum. Today we are continuing our MCQ series. So let us start with the first MCQ. Question number 1. Sunspots were first observed by which among the following? So the sunspots were observed by Thomas Harriot. Question 2. Lightning rod and bifocal spectacles were invented by. So these are invented by Benjamin Franklin. Question 3. Earthquake of 1935 struck which city of Pakistan? So it struck in Quetta. Question 4. Batura Glacier is located in Pakistan. Question number 5. Which gas fields are located in Balochistan? Question 6. OGDCL second largest gas fields is located in Sui, Qadarpur, Kohat. So it is located in Qadarpur. Question 7. Number of natural satellites orbiting around the Mars is. So there are two number of natural satellites which are orbiting around Mars. Question 8. Max Planck discovered quantum theory. Question 9. Measurement of rainfall is made by an instrument. So the measurement of rainfall is used by, so it is a rain gauge. Question 10. Parsec is unit of, so it is unit of distance. Question 11. Solar eclipse occur when? Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between earth and sun. Question 12. Properties of an image formed by a camera. So camera gives the output image as a real, inverted and diminished. Question 13. NaHCO3 is heated, it forms. So when NaHCO3 heated, it gives output as CO2 from here and NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Question 14. Instrument most suitable to measure internal diameter of a tube baby. So its answer is vernier caliper. It is used to find internal diameter. Question number 15. A mechanical stopwatch can measure a time interval up to a minimum of. A mechanical stopwatch can measure up to 0.1 second, which is the minimum time measurement. Question 16. Supernova is when a star explodes when a star. Question 17. Iron and steel structure damaged by gas. So option B, sulfur dioxide is the correct option. Question 18. Liver inflammation is caused by which disease? Liver inflammation is caused by hepatitis disease. Question 19. Crude oil is heated in furnace up to 400 degrees centigrade. Question number 20. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the area in a cell where dash are synthesized. You can also say this SER. So it produces a lipid, and RER is another term which is used for where cell is produce a protein. Question number 21. Paris Climate Conference held in. So last Paris Climate Conference held in 2015. Question number 22. Rio Earth Summit was held in. So it was held in June 1992. Question 24. Which form of nitrogen is taken by the producers of the ecosystem? So NH3, nitrogen hydroxide, is produced by this procedure. Question 25. Pancreas produces digestive enzymes and releases them into. So it is general knowledge question. Pancreas produces digestive enzymes and release them into duodenum. Option B is the correct option. Question number 26. In stomach, pepsinogen is converted to, pepsinogen means pepsin. So option B is the correct option. Question 27. The life of red blood cells is, so you can Google it, the life of red blood cell is 120 days. Question 28. Tube connecting kidney and urinary bladder is called ureter. Question number 29. Villi is found in small intestine. Question 30. Stomach closes when God's cell lose water. Question number 30. A option is correct option. Question number 31. Question number 31. Which is responsible for blood clotting? So platelets are responsible for blood clotting. Question 32. Enzymes are made up of. It is made up of proteins. Question 33. Edward Jenner discovered vaccine in which year? Edward Jenner discovered vaccine in 1796. Question 34. After fertilization in plants, the fruit develops from ovary. Question 35. Parthenocracy results in seedless fruits. Question 36. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Option B is the correct option. Question 37. Ethiopia faced severe famine in the period. Ethiopia faced famine from 1983 to 1985. Question 38. Mastication is also known as chewing of food. Question 39. In composition of water in human brain is 75%. Question 40. Dengue fever is caused by mosquito. So option A is the correct option. Aedes aegypti. Question 41. Who gave the idea of World Food Program? So John McGovern gives the idea of World Food Program. Question 42. Speed of sound in air is approximately equal to. So the exact speed of sound is 320 meter per second. The closest option is 300 meter per second. So option A is the correct option. Question 43. Who transmitted the first radio signal through the air? So option B, Marconi transmitted the first radio signal through the air. Question 44. How much space a standard CD contains? Option D is the correct option. 700 MB space contained in a CD. Question 45. Concept of meaning represented by algorithm is known as. For these questions, options are missing in this book, but the option A is control structure, option B is sequence, option C is semantics, option D is syntax. So, semantics is the correct option. Question number 46. Tools to change PROM chip are called. Here the option D, none of these is correct, but ChipKit is a tool which is used to change PROM chip. Question 47. The simple data structure is. Here the options are missing, but one-dimensional array is the simple data structure. Question 48. The term bit is short for. Bit is a binary digit, 0 or 1. Question 49. Attock fort built by which emperor? In my previous videos you can see I have told you about this fort. Attock fort is built by Emperor Akbar. Question 50. Who is the current Secretary General of SAARC? So current Secretary General is Issa Lavir from Sri Lanka. Question 51. First Governor General of State Bank of Pakistan is. So the first Governor General is Zahid Hussain. Question 52. Longest serving chairman of Senate of Pakistan is Wasim Sajjad. Question 53. Kurt Waldheim rank as Secretary General of UNO. So his rank is 4th. Question 54. According to the United Nations latest estimate, Pakistan's population is equivalent to the world's total 2.65% of the population. Question 55. International Court of Justice comprises of panel of how many judges? International Court of Justice comprises of 15 panel of judges. Question 56. Taj Mahal constructed by Shah Jahan. Question 57. Balochistan was given the status of province in which year? Balochistan is given status in 1970. Question 58. Length of Karakoram Highway is 1300 km. Question 59. Kirthar mountain range is located in Sindh, Balochistan, both A and B. So both A and B are the correct option. Question 60. Who is the penultimate Viceroy of India? So he is the Lord Weber. Question 61. Jinnah Pakistan and Islamic Identity, the search for Saladin is written by. So this book is written by Akbar Ahmad. Question 62. Which Pakistani Prime Minister secured Gwadar? So he is Firoz Khan Noon. Question 63. Former Governor of West Pakistan Nawab Amir Muhammad belonged to? So he belongs to Kalaba. Question 64. Atmosphere is divided into how many basic layers? So it has 4 basic layers. Question 65. Percentage of total water contained in the oceans are? So the total percentage is 97%. Question 66. Current President of Azad and Jammu Kashmir is Sardar Masood Khan from 25 August 2016. Question 67. Kartarpur corridor links Kartarpur with Dera Baba Nanak. Question 68. The Katasraj temple is located in Chakwal. Question 69. Some people say that Katasraj is located in Jhelum, but it is not located in Jhelum, it is located in Chakwal. Question 69. How many countries in Asia? There are 48 countries in Asia. Question 70. Pakistan economic growth in financial year 2018 according to World Bank is 5.8%. Question 71. Indus River System Authority IRA consisted in 1992.